Question number 18. The sum of 4th and 8th term. The sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24. 4th और 8th term का sum 24 है. Means A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. And the sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. मीन्स 6th टर्म और 10th टर्म का सम जो है वो 44 है. दिस इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फर्स्ट 3 टर्म ऑफ एपी. सो टू फाइंड आउट फर्स्ट 3 टर्म ऑफ एपी वी रिक्वायर बोथ फर्स्ट टर्म एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस. दिस 2 थिंग्स वी रिक्वायर. So with the help of given things we will find out the value of first term and common difference A and D. So see, first what we have, 4th term and 8th term is equal to 24. 4th term it is A plus 3D. 8th term it is A plus 7D is equal to 24. A plus A is 2A. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10D is equal to 24. The whole equation is divisible by 2. So we will divide it by 2. So A plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5D is equal to 12. This is the first equation. Now one more thing is given in the question, and 6th and 10th term. A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. 6th टर्म के लिए फॉर्मूला होगा A plus 5D प्लस 10th टर्म के लिए फॉर्मूला होगा A plus 9D is equal to 44. A and A is 2A. 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. Divide by 2, it is A plus 7D is equal to 22. Second, with the help of elimination method we will solve this equation. We will subtract equation 1 from 2. So on subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, so it is A plus 7D is equal to 22. A plus 5D is equal to 12. सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, ये माइनस माइनस एंड दिस इज माइनस. ओके, सो व्हाट वी गेट, हियर A and A cancel. 7 minus 5 is what? 2D is equal to 0 and 1, 10. So in this way we get D is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. So the value of D is equal to 5. Now on putting, आपको एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू मिल गई, तो putting this value of D in the any of the equation, first or second, we will put in the first equation. Putting D is equal to 5 in equation 1. Okay, we will put the value of D is equal to 5 in equation 1. And equation 1 is what? A plus 5D. A plus 5D and value of D is what? 5 is equal to 12. So it is A plus 5 5 ja 25 is equal to 12. So it is A is equal to 12 minus 25. So A is equal to 12 minus 25 is minus 13. So value of A is minus 13. Hence AP will be, we have to write here the 3 terms. So first term is minus 13. Common difference is 5. So minus 13 plus 5 will be minus 8. Minus 8 plus 5 will be minus 3. And so on. In question number 19, it is given that Subba Rao started his work in 1995 with annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach to the rupees 7,000? See, the first salary of Subbarao is 5,000 and he get an increment of rupees 200 per year. Means his salary will be increased by 200 per year. Means the difference of salary in the successive years is 200. Means जो सैलरी होगी वो किस में होगी, एपी में होगी. ओके, सो Subbarao salary in successive years. In the first year in rupees. In the first year it is rupees 5,000. इंक्रीमेंट 200 का होगा तो सेकेंड ईयर हो जाएगा 5,200, देन 5,400 एंड सो ऑन. ओके, एंड दीज आर in what AP. If these are in AP, then the first term is what, 5,000 and the common difference is what, it is 200. Understood है कि 200 increment है और वैसे भी this minus this is what, 200. Now in which year his salary will be 7,000? So we assume that the nth term of this AP will be 7,000. So we use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Nth term is what, 7,000 is equal to a. A is what, 5,000 plus n minus 1 into d. D is what, 200. So it is 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to n minus 1 into 200. 7,000 minus 5,000 is 2,000. So it is 2,000 is equal to n minus 1 into 200. So it is 2,000 divided by 200 is equal to n minus 1. So it is what, 10. 10 is equal to n minus 1. So 10 plus 1, 1 को दे ट्रांसपोज के तरफ 10 plus 1 is equal to n. So it is 11. Means in the 11th year from 95. In the 11th year his salary will be what, 7,000. So which year will be the 11th year? अभी क्या है, 1995 है. After this is the first term 1995. अब 11th term means 11th year. After 11th year means after 10 year this will be the 11th. So after 10 year this 1995 में हम क्या करें, 10 year और ऐड कर देते हैं. Hence in the 11th year his salary will be rupees 7,000. Question number 20. Here it is given that Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of the year and then increase her weekly saving by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly saving become rupees 20.75. We have to find out the value of n. This question is same as the previous one. Okay, here the first term is given and common difference is 1.75 because she increased her saving by rupees 1.75 and this is the nth term. Okay, so here it is the weekly saving. This weekly saving is in what? In successive weeks is in what? AP. सक्सेसिव वीक्स में जो सेविंग है वो किस में होगी? एपी में होगी। और फर्स्ट टर्म जो है वो कितना है? ₹5, सो इट इज 5 एंड द डिफरेंस इज व्हाट? 1.75 एंड द nth term is what? ₹20.75. We have to find out the value of n. So we know the formula. A n is equal to a plus n minus 1d. An is what? 20.75 is equal to a. A is what? 5 plus n minus 1 into d. Value of d is what? 1.75. See, transpose 5 in this side, so it is 20.75 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 1.75. So 20.75 minus 5 is 15.75 is equal to n minus 1 into 1.75. 15.75 divided by 1.75 is equal to n minus 1. Now, after decimal 2 digits are there, so we may remove the decimal here. So what we get? 1575 divided by 175, you will get 9. So 9, n minus 1 will become plus 1. So n is equal to 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So value of n is what? 10 here.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मजीद आने वाली वीडियो